Hello, friends! In this book, Pete the Kitty and the Unicorn's Missing Colors, you'll be going on a fun adventure. Are you ready to read? Here we go! Pete sees his friend Stevie the Unicorn at the playground. Stevie looks sad. "Hi, Stevie," says Pete. "What's wrong?" "The Magic Unicorn Dance Party is tonight," says Stevie. "But I lost all the colors in my rainbow tail." "I can help," says Pete. "We can use my magic paintbrush." "Where did you last see your colors?" Pete asks. Stevie says, "When I was playing in the park." "The park is very big." Stevie looks worried. "We'll never find my colors before the dance party," Stevie says. "Which colors are you missing?" asks Pete. "Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple are gone," Stevie says. "Look!" Pete points his magic brush at a berry patch. "Let's borrow some red." Pop! A magic red blaze appears in Stevie's tail. "Wow!" says Stevie. "Now we know what to do," says Pete. "Great," says Stevie. "Do green next." "Green is everywhere," says Pete. "The grass is green, the trees are green." Pop! Stevie's tail gets a green blaze. Stevie prances. "That butterfly is yellow," says Pete. Pop! Stevie's tail gets a yellow blaze. "Hurry, Pete," says Stevie. "3 more colors to go." "This flower is orange," says Pete. Pop! Stevie's tail gets an orange blaze. "Keep going, Pete," Stevie says. "The party starts soon." "The lake is blue," Pete says. Pop! Stevie's tail gets a blue blaze. "1 more left," says Stevie. "The clouds are purple," shouts Pete. Pop! Stevie's tail gets a purple blaze. Yay! Pete and Stevie cheer. Stevie jumps for joy. Pete found all the missing colors. "I love my rainbow tail," says Stevie. "Come with me to the party." Stevie and Pete dance at the Magic Unicorn Dance Party. Stevie's rainbow tail is a big hit. "Thanks, Pete," says Stevie. "It's cool to help friends," says Pete. The end.
Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete the Cat loves pizza. Pete the Cat loves parties too. Pete had an idea of what he could do. He would have the perfect pizza party! You are invited to Pete's Pizza Party with fun, games, music. Bring your swimsuit too. Pete's friends all arrived. It was time to build the perfect pizza together. That would make the pizza even better. Pete thought the perfect pizza would be pepperoni with extra cheese. It's a party, a pepperoni pizza party. But everyone did not agree. Callie said,
Pepperoni would be just fine, but I really love pretzels on mine.
Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pretzels? Well, that's something new. But maybe pretzels could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pizza party. Squirrel said,
Pepperoni and pretzels would be just fine, but I really love pistachios on mine.
Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pistachios? Well, that's something new. But maybe pistachios could be groovy too. It's a party! A party! A pepperoni pretzel pistachios pizza party! Grumpy Toad said, "Pepperoni, pretzels, and pistachios would be just fine, but I really love pickles on mine." Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pickles? Well, that's something new. But maybe pickles could be groovy too. It's a party! A party! A pepperoni, pretzel, pistachios, pickles, pizza party. Gus said, "Pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, and pickles would be just fine, but I really love popcorn on mine." Pete and the gang were puzzled. Popcorn? Well, that's something new. But maybe popcorn could be groovy too. It's a party! A party! A pepperoni, pretzel, pistachios, pickle, popcorn, pizza party! Alligator said, "Pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, pickle, and popcorn would be just fine, but I really love papaya on mine." Now, Pete and the gang were really puzzled. Papaya? Well, that's something new. But maybe papaya could be groovy too. It's a party! A party! A pepperoni, pretzel, pistachios, pickles, popcorn, papaya pizza party. Pete and the gang piled the pepperoni, pretzel, pistachios, pickles, popcorn, and papaya on top. The pizza was so high, they had to stop. Ding! The pizza was done. Yeah! Trying something new might be fun. They all build up the courage to take the first bite. And the pepperoni, pretzel, pistachios, pickle, popcorn, papaya pizza was out of sight! Dynamite! Just right. In the end, the perfect pizza is a pizza shared with friends. The end. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more super cool videos like this one.